So, this is part of my life that not very many people get to see. See all that? My son was filling the water dish for my dog. Dog jumped up on him and knocked the water out of his hands. As you could see, she decided to eat her bed. And then, after that, she decided to pee everywhere. So now we gotta clean it up. And that's what I'm doing right now. So, yay. I have this clean. I had this clean. I had this clean. I don't even know what to say. I don't even know where all of these dishes came from. It was clean. This was clean. I have to go get my child a pillow and a blankie. So, peace out. Oh, what are they yelling about? Alright, so apparently the dog ran away. Where's the leash? Okay, are you seriously walking around in the woods with no shoes on? Yeah, and there's poison ivy.
He told me.
Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Get out of here. Get out of here. Get out of here. Twix! So, my dog likes the woods. There's poison ivy in the woods. And I am severely allergic to poison ivy. So, let's just hope my daughter didn't get it. Hey, Twix. Twix. Pop, pop, pop. I know you found a scent, huh? You found a smell that you like. Hey, doggy. Look at all those ferns. Look at them. Look at them. It's crazy. Hey. Pop, pop, pop. Twix. Twix. She needs to learn to come when called. Oh, you like the bark? Okay, come on. Puppy. Twix, come on. Oh, don't go under. What are you doing? Come on, pup. And I just got bit by a mosquito. Twix, no, not that way. That's the swamp. Pup, pup, pup. Pup, pup, pup. Oh, crap. She's a lab. She's gonna love it. Come here. Oh, shh. Twix! Come here! Come sit! Oh, got her. Oh, hey, stop, dog. Okay, that is not how a leash works. All right, sit. Twix! What did you find? Twix! Oh, damn it. I lost her again. Twix! Pop, pop, pop. Come here. Oh, damn. There we go. Come on, Pop. I just gotta get her back to the house. Come on, Pop. Pop. Oh my gosh. She is a woods dog. And we have a woods house. But I am not a woods person. Well, I am a woods person. I shouldn't say I'm not a woods person. I'm just not an... oh, come on, don't tie me up. I'm a path woods person. I'm not a... What? Why are you laying down? I'm not a... What is it? Bushwhacking woods person. I'm not the type of person that likes to run around in the woods where I have to knock over brush to get to everything. I'm actually supposed to be inside right now, loading the dishwasher because of all the dishes I just showed you in my other video. My other daughter is inside losing her mind because she wants a blanket and I didn't put it on her correctly or some BS like that. And my other kids are supposed to be cleaning the poop off of the deck because this one doesn't know how to poop outside in the yard yet, and she decides that she's gonna poop all over the back deck. And oh, this is my life, guys. This is my life. 7:07. Burnt the kielbasa, kind of. Not really. Not bad. There's a lot of smoke in here, though. Finally got the dishwasher loaded. Didn't even get half the dishes from the sink. Got the dog inside, and she peed in the kitchen again. So now I have to clean up again. Hopefully that's the excitement for my day, and this will be the last part of the video. Part of the video that I add. This is my life.